So it's Friday and I'm just doing a bunch of orders. It's usually my busiest day. Right now I'm just getting my table set up. This is where I pack all of my orders once they're done. It's almost scary how much I look forward to morning coffee, but I try to limit it to 2, maximum 3 cups a day. So these labels are flag labels that an accountant asks me to order every couple months. I can't believe how sunny it is today. So usually I get up a lot off of my computer to do chores like this, and it also lessens the eye strain. So we got a bunch of sheets done. I'm just peeling them off now and gonna load up a bunch more. Now for my last round of vacuuming. We're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna do a quick vacuum up there. So that was a very quick glimpse into my afternoon and midday, and I'm pretty much done now. So yeah, that was almost $600 worth of sticker orders.